is up, everybody? It's your favorite ninja over here, Junkyard Ninja. Welcome back to another episode of Burn Down. So, technically, I'm supposed to wear this thing because of the coronavirus. We're at the junkyard today doing stuff, so when you're in public, you're supposed to wear a mask. So, my boys at DJ Safety hooked it up. So, fastest safety mask around, DJ Safety. We're gonna go inside and look for a Hydro Boost unit today for the Twinnebago. I can keep my mask, my super fast mask on. That's it. So let's go look around, see what we can find. Looking for a GM Hydro Boost unit. So let's get to it. All right, so we're out here today looking for a Hydro Boost unit, and I found one in this Tahoe that looks like it was replaced. It was real clean, everything's real nice, no leaks or nothing. But it seems like they stab holes in all the reservoirs, which kind of sucks. So I'm gonna look around and see if I can find a reservoir without a hole, and then I can make this thing a full unit and then pull it out. So I'm gonna look around a bit more. But yeah, I think this guy, let me show you on this Tahoe. It's an 04. See if I can get one that's maybe a later model than this. That is the unit. This thing's super clean, it looks like. I mean, this thing is damn near brand new looking. No leaks or nothing like underneath. You know, like it wasn't leaking down the firewall or anything. So I think that one's gonna be our ticket. But, it has a hole in it. So let me look around. I think they punch holes in all these. So I might have to just get a reservoir. Let me take that portion and get out of here. So here's a different truck, and you can see they popped a hole right there in that one as well. So let's go take that other one out. And yeah, if they can take the cap off, it looks like they just take the cap. See, like they'll take the cap and then just ditch it, I guess. Oh, no, the cap's in there. So I don't know, if it was a cap one, it would still have it, but anyway. We'll go grab that, and I'll figure out how to get a reservoir. Maybe we'll just order one on the internet. All right, we got this dude off fairly easily, and it looks like it was rebuilt at some point, or it's new, because this thing is super sweet. So I'm excited about that. And again, they punched a hole in the reservoir, so I'll have to take that off and can it. I don't know if I can try to charge you for that. Probably not, so hopefully I can just leave it on there for now. Now that's out of the way, we gotta get this guy. And then I had to take these off to get rid of this, so I don't need that. I will need the nuts. And then I got the lines down there. I'm gonna take those with this, so I have the correct line to thread in. So when I make my own hard lines to it, I have the right nut, or the right, well, let's see, I think this is double flare. Yeah, it's just a double flare, I can make that. But I need these end pieces. So hopefully they don't charge me a lot for that. All right, so jump inside, and should be 4 bolts. This guy will come out, and we're out of here. I'm gonna try to keep all these hoses and stuff with it as well. So we'll see how bad they hammer me when I get up to the front. So let me pull this out, and I'll show you guys. All right, there's a clip up there, and then this guy. So I just got my screwdriver in there. Got that bad boy off, so the pedal's disconnected. And there's just 4 bolts. There's 1, and then there's 2, 3, and then 4 up top. So knock those out, and this thing will be home free. You know, I'm really not that disgusted by COVID-19 stuff, but having to roll around in somebody's cigarette butts is kind of shitty, not gonna lie. There was a couple push pins and stuff too that I moved before we got down here. So yeah, way to break in the new sloppy shirt, huh? Here she is in all her glory. So this is what we were taking, and then I have to retrofit this to the motorhome. So all right, well there it is. We have the Hydro Boost master cylinder for the Twinnebago. One more piece of the puzzle, and the master cylinder itself is only 20 bucks. I wasn't gonna buy it because it had the hole in the reservoir, and I gotta get a reservoir, but for 20 bucks, I mean, the thing looks like it was either replaced recently or it was a refurbished one they put on there. It doesn't look bad at all. So I'll just go home, I'll order a new reservoir, which is probably better anyway because it didn't have shit in it already. And then the Hydro Boost looks good to go. The only thing now looking at it, lengthwise, that shock mount may be an issue, but I might just tilt it back a little bit more, whatever we gotta do on the Twinnebago to stuff that guy in there. So Thanks for making a quick junkyard run for me. You guys stay safe. You know what to do. Like, subscribe, share. I'm out.
That was legitness.
Yeah, it was.